So here we are, just between Broxburn and Ratho, probably a wee bit closer to Ratho, and we've just done a wee cycle on a nice summer's evening in June from Ratho to Linlithgow, and this is us heading back to Ratho now. I'm puffing and panting because I've just cycled for about 2 miles non-stop, and here comes Janice. We're on our final leg. I reckon we're about 3 miles to go to Ratho, and here she goes. She's doing well, see? And what you're going to witness here is Janice cycling under the M8 for only the second time in her life. The big lorry goes over, see? That's her way under the M8. And the reason it's the second time she's done it is because it was the first time when we came this way on the way to Linlithgow. So here's a big horse coming over to say hello, especially for Mungo. He likes horses. Clever boy, see? Hello. Yeah, see? Anyway, looks like Janice has got a bit of a march on, so I'll get going. And aye, it's my turn to cycle under there and catch up on her, so bye.